Modern agriculture technology revolutionizes the banana industry, creating efficient systems for growing, harvesting, and transporting. Advanced irrigation systems ensure every plant receives the precise amount of water, maximizing growth and minimizing waste efficiently. Sophisticated sensors monitor soil conditions in real time, providing crucial data for optimal plant health and resource management. Drones precisely deliver nutrients and monitor plant health from above, ensuring every banana receives exactly what it needs to thrive. Autonomous machinery handles cultivation with unparalleled precision, optimizing soil conditions and plant health across vast expanses efficiently. Optimal growth conditions, carefully managed by technology, lead to higher yields and superior quality bananas, ensuring abundance.
From sapling to fruit-bearing, technology accelerates the growth cycle, ensuring a steady, abundant supply of bananas year-round. The banana garden, a testament to technological prowess, thrives with heavy bunches, promising a bountiful harvest soon.
Field workers, armed with smart technology, meticulously inspect ripening fruit, ensuring only the finest bananas proceed to harvest.
Advanced harvesting machinery gently and precisely cuts ripe banana bunches, minimizing damage and maximizing efficiency during harvest.
Each perfectly cut bunch is carefully transferred to automated systems, preserving freshness and ensuring quality from the field. Automated carts efficiently transport massive quantities of freshly harvested bananas from the fields, optimizing the initial journey.
After harvest, specialized machinery efficiently removes spent banana trees, shredding them for sustainable recycling and future growth. These shredded organic materials are returned to the earth, enriching the soil and ensuring sustainable, long-term fertility for the land.
With new saplings planted by automated precision, the cycle of sustainable banana production begins anew, ensuring continuous supply. At the heart of the operation, massive processing plants streamline bananas from raw produce.
This one is too ripe, remove it from the line. I have the replacement tags ready here.
Robotic arms meticulously separate individual bananas, ensuring each fruit meets stringent quality standards with unmatched precision. Automated washing stations meticulously clean every banana, removing any impurities and preparing them for the next stages. This rapid automated sorting ensures bananas are perfectly categorized, meeting diverse market demands with incredible speed and accuracy. Specialized packaging machines meticulously wrap and seal each banana, preserving freshness and extending shelf life for consumers globally. Automated palletizing machines efficiently stack and prepare packed banana boxes for shipment, ensuring stable, secure transport. Climate-controlled warehouses store vast quantities of bananas, preserving their freshness and quality before global distribution begins.
Massive cargo ships, equipped with advanced logistics, embark on epic journeys, delivering fresh bananas to every corner of the world.
High-speed rail transports refrigerated wagons, efficiently reaching inland markets and reducing transit times significantly for fresh produce. A fleet of refrigerated trucks forms the final link, delivering fresh bananas directly to distribution centers and stores efficiently. Finally, perfectly ripe bananas grace supermarket shelves, a testament to the efficient, sustainable journey from farm to table. Thus, the journey concludes, a testament to modern agriculture technology's power to feed the world sustainably and efficiently. With every new sapling, the promise of abundant, high-quality bananas is renewed through modern agricultural technology continually. Deep within the soil, healthy root systems thrive, nourished by precisely managed conditions, ensuring robust plant growth.
Thermal imaging drones proactively detect subtle changes in plant health, preventing disease outbreaks and optimizing growth conditions efficiently.
Within controlled environments, genetically optimized banana saplings are cultivated, guaranteeing robust, disease-resistant plants for the future.
The average height here is significantly shorter, but look at the leaf nodes.
Agreed. We need to cross-reference this with the soil data from Section 3.
Farmers, empowered by intuitive technology, precisely control nutrient delivery, ensuring optimal growth and resource efficiency in their fields. From delicate flower to nascent fruit, every stage of development is meticulously managed, promising perfect bananas.
Innovative protective netting shields young banana bunches from pests and harsh weather, guaranteeing optimal, undamaged yields.
These risk indicators are unacceptable for the monsoon season.
Agreed. We must adjust the global distribution model.
Hyperspectral cameras mounted on drones detect subtle plant health issues, enabling proactive interventions and safeguarding entire crops.
Despite technological advancements, the farmer's enduring connection to the land remains at the heart of banana cultivation.
Automated sprayers apply organic pest control solutions, protecting crops while upholding environmental sustainability and ecological balance.
Generations of wisdom blend with modern technology as experienced farmers guide new apprentices in the art of banana cultivation.
Renewable energy sources power vast banana plantations, significantly reducing their carbon footprint and promoting sustainability globally.
Advanced water recycling systems ensure every drop is optimized, minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability across the entire farm.
Beyond the technology, a thriving community of dedicated workers sustains the heart of the banana industry with passion.
Educating future generations in agricultural technology ensures sustained innovation and leadership in the global banana industry.
Organic waste transforms into nutrient-rich compost, returned to the fields, embodying the circular economy principles of sustainability.
Digital inventory systems and robotic arms ensure precise tracking and rapid movement of every banana box efficiently.
Self-driving forklifts autonomously navigate warehouses, optimizing storage and retrieval with unparalleled speed and safety efficiently.
Across vast oceans, container ships navigate global routes, bringing fresh bananas to distant.
Look how yellow this one is.
It's so sweet, Daddy.
Environmental dashboards showcase reduced water usage, lower emissions, and increased biodiversity, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. Even amidst nature's challenges, resilient banana plants thrive, a testament to robust agricultural practices protecting our food.
Multispectral cameras on robotic arms scan leaves, detecting early signs of stress or disease, preventing widespread crop loss effectively.
As you can see from the 3D analysis, the new practices increased the corn yield by 20%.
What about the water usage ratio with that increase?
That's the best part. It dropped by 10%.
Electric utility vehicles silently transport tools and equipment, symbolizing the shift towards cleaner, sustainable farm operations efficiently.
The proud farmer surveys his bountiful, healthy crop, a testament to the seamless integration of wisdom and innovation.
Sensor 7 deployed. Initial nitrogen levels are optimal.
Excellent. Let's move to the next quadrant.
Ground-penetrating radar maps root systems, optimizing nutrient delivery.
Banana peels transform into biogas within industrial biodigesters, powering the plant and exemplifying a truly circular, sustainable economy.
Local communities actively participate in reforestation efforts, fostering environmental stewardship around the thriving banana plantations. Integrated weather stations provide hyperlocal data, enabling precision agriculture to optimize planting, irrigation, and harvest timing.
Freshly picked bananas bring simple joys to rural communities, connecting the bounty of the land directly to local lives.
Multi-rotor drones launch from dedicated pads, providing critical aerial monitoring, spraying, and surveillance for expansive plantations. Data analysts leverage complex algorithms to predict global banana market demand, ensuring production perfectly aligns with consumption. Eco-friendly, biodegradable packaging ensures bananas reach consumers sustainably, minimizing environmental impact throughout their journey. Automated destemming machines precisely separate bananas from their stalks, ensuring clean, efficient preparation for packaging quickly. High-tech ripening chambers precisely control temperature and gas levels, ensuring bananas reach optimal ripeness for diverse markets. The vibrant yellow, blemish-free skin of each banana signifies superior quality, a testament to meticulous processing and care. Automated trucks at loading docks efficiently transfer palletized bananas into refrigerated interiors, ensuring continuous cold chain integrity.
Food safety inspectors rigorously monitor every batch, ensuring unparalleled product integrity and consumer safety throughout the supply chain.
Research vessels map ocean currents and weather, optimizing shipping routes to ensure timely, safe banana deliveries across the globe.
From simple snack to gourmet dessert, bananas' versatility and premium quality are celebrated in kitchens worldwide.
Autonomous cleaning robots maintain pristine hygiene, sanitizing floors and equipment, ensuring the highest food safety standards continuously.
Engineers relentlessly design and test new machinery components, driving continuous innovation and efficiency in agricultural technology forward. Solar-powered charging stations fuel electric farm vehicles, fostering self-sufficiency and reducing fossil fuel reliance for sustainability. Micro-irrigation precisely delivers nutrient-rich fertilizer, minimizing waste and maximizing uptake for optimal, healthy banana plants. Industrial-scale water filtration systems purify and reuse water, ensuring resource efficiency and environmental protection throughout the plant. Virtual reality simulations optimize planting patterns and harvest strategies, refining agricultural practices before real-world implementation efficiently. Automated planting robots precisely deposit banana saplings, creating uniform rows and maximizing yield with unparalleled efficiency. Microchips embedded in plants transmit real-time growth data, enabling the Internet of Things to optimize individual plant management effectively. Self-driving tractors with precision planters effortlessly create perfectly spaced rows, optimizing planting for maximum future yields efficiently.
Farmers review detailed yield maps, analyzing productivity variations to continuously optimize their operations and maximize output efficiently.
Drones deploy beneficial insects, implementing natural pest control, a sustainable alternative to chemical pesticides, fostering ecological balance.
Innovative breathable packaging extends shelf life naturally, ensuring bananas arrive in peak condition, minimizing waste throughout distribution. Automated pallet wrappers secure stacked banana boxes in protective film, ensuring stability and protection during transit efficiently.
Massive solar farms power entire banana operations, demonstrating a profound commitment to sustainable, clean energy across the supply chain.
Advanced fogging systems maintain optimal humidity, crucial for delicate plant stages, ensuring maximum growth and health efficiently. Autonomous drones land precisely after missions, seamlessly integrating aerial technology into daily farm operations, enhancing efficiency. Robotic arms precisely prune banana plants, optimizing growth and maximizing fruit production with unparalleled horticultural precision efficiently. The vibrant health of every banana leaf reflects the meticulous care and advanced technology applied across the entire plantation.
Look at this bunch, perfectly ripe.
The sensors helped us time it just right.
Yeah. We should have a great yield this season.
These are the best bananas I've ever tasted.
Daddy, look how fast I can eat it.
You really love them, don't you, sweetie?
Yeah.
This vast, interconnected global network, powered by agriculture technology, efficiently fulfills